Introducing SAM, the AI system that replaces real estate CRMs. Organize all your contacts effortlessly with SAM's customizable list views, making list building a breeze using powerful sorting and filtering tools. Tag contacts to group them and add notes to keep track of past conversations, making follow-ups easier and keeping clients happy with personal touches. See how contacts connect, like family or business, so that you never miss a key link. This helps you understand client relationships for better communication. Track property details, owners, and key dates with simple tags for quick access. Upload property photos and SAM's AI adds title and descriptions for marketing. Manage all your listings with marketing info, showing details, and calendar links. Track multiple offers on your listings, letting SAM's AI show the pros, the cons, and offer scoring to help clients decide. Once the offer is accepted, track the transaction information, key dates, routines, and linked files to keep the deal moving smoothly. See everyone in the deal, the sellers, buyers, inspectors, making communication between party members faster. Build email and SMS templates easily. Let SAM's AI write the message in your style and voice. Then SAM can translate the message for your clients, allowing you to send the message in their preferred language. SAM can set up routines fast, automating tasks tied to key dates. Enter a brief description of your routine, use it as is, or let SAM's AI improve it. SAM creates an outline for you to review and approve. Next, SAM builds the routine, setting up the calculation offsets and actions. It also creates the email and SMS templates for those actions. In 1 to 2 minutes, SAM shows you the finished routine. Then review each of the templates and make changes as necessary. Creating workflow routines has never been this easy. Add checklists to routines to verify fields or link to websites for tasks. Use automated actions to send messages, update fields, and run webhooks for powerful integrations. The call list allows you to plan calls with AI talking points, transcripts, he said, she said bubbles, plus recommends post-call database updates, sentiment analysis, summaries, and next steps. Finally, SAM's AI assistants, currently in beta but coming soon, are smart helpers for your business. Give your AI assistant a task, like adding an appointment to your calendar, lead nurturing, or listing coordination work, and SAM handles the rest. Just imagine what you could do with an assistant that never sleeps, never stops, and always works for you. This frees you to focus on relationships while staying connected with clients. To see how SAM and AI can help you in your business, visit workflowsecrets.info.